Greetings, chess players! My name is Chris Torres, and this is Daily Chess Musings. Organizing a successful IM or GM norm chess tournament is no easy feat. During the planning and lead up, there are lots of things that organizers need to pay attention to and keep track of. Whether it's sending invitation to foreign titled chess players, meeting all of FIDE's technical requirements, calculating the requisite scores for players to achieve norms, hiring a FIDE Arbiter, acquiring a suitable site, and arranging travel accommodations for players who commit to participating, running a FIDE Norm Invitational is an expensive and complex undertaking. In fact, the cost and complexities of such events are simply too much for almost all but a select few chess organizations in the United States. And that's where Mission 360, a nonprofit founded by friends Kevin Pan and Eric Lee, comes into play. These two teenage trailblazers took on a difficult task and transcended every challenge. Together with support from Bay Area Chess, these truly historic tournaments raise the bar for FIDE-rated events in California. In fact, after the last trilogy of round-robin invitational tournaments, an incredible 6 norms were achieved by the players, including 2 players who are now international master elects. So, on the heels of such success, I am thrilled to announce more FIDE-rated events put on by this powerhouse collective team are already scheduled. A FIDE hybrid event is on the calendar for May 7th and 8th, as well as another GM-IM Invitational Norm tournament scheduled for May 14th through 20th, and another FIDE hybrid will occur on June 4th and 5th. For more information or to register to play in these exciting events, please visit mission360foryou.org. Don't miss out on these exciting FIDE events from Mission 360 and Bay Area Chess. Even if you are not quite strong enough to participate in these events, you can still share in the action with Daily Chess Musings. So make sure to bookmark dailychessmusings.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Twitch so you don't miss any of our live coverage or round recaps. And with that, I bid you adieu. My name is Chris Torres. Please remember to like and subscribe.